Going to the Rangel for breakfast. Let's go see what they're doing. You guys ready for breakfast? Hey, what's up?
Oh, I need to take toilet paper because I had to use it last time.
Uh-oh. Yo.
Yo.
What's up, man? Just got done, got gassed up. You guys ready to go?
Pretty much.
Just got to Birders parking lot. It is 9:37. Quick piss, get shoes, get stuff on, go hike them out. So we're out starting Bird Ridge. What time is it? 9:45? 9:45. Alright guys, made it to the top. 1 hour and 34 minutes. Oh, 2.49 miles. Me and Renee hit it up here. Windy, how you feeling?
Good, man. My legs are toast, my quad, everything. Legs feel good. Breathe down. Even my arms though from from the poles. But look at this. I've been training for anything.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna take a quick water and then run down. Good job, we made it back down to the car. We did 3,367 ascending feet. We did it in 2 hours and 11 minutes. Round trip.
Yeah, moving time 2 hours and 3 minutes. So we
Took
stopped a few times, changed layers, like it just accumulated to actually just over 2 hours. Dude, in the summer we can run this in under
Yeah,
2.
that'd be really good. Kevin's is just a little bit behind, but we can get in and get the car started and drying off some stuff.
It's great time with snow and ice and like breaking trail.
So look at your forehead, just hold still for a second.
It's frozen.
You can see all like the freeze and then your sweat that you're getting around your eyes. Woo!
So hard work looks like. Look at you too.
Come on, Vern. Come on, boogers.